Can you gamify your note review to make studying fun? Imagine turning your study time into a game where you earn points, unlock levels, and compete with friends. Sounds exciting, right? Gamifying your note review can make studying feel less like a chore and more like an adventure. Start by setting clear goals for each session. For example, aim to master 5 concepts or answer 10 questions correctly. You can assign points for each achievement, like 10 points for every concept recalled or 5 points for each correct answer. This makes your progress measurable and motivating. Creating a point system encourages active recall, which is proven to improve memory. When you review notes, turn the process into a quiz or trivia game. Use flashcards with questions from your notes and challenge yourself to answer quickly. You can also create multiple choice questions or true and false statements to test your knowledge. Adding levels or missions can give you a sense of progression. For instance, after completing a set of flashcards, you unlock a new, more challenging set. You can also set time limits for each review session to keep the pace lively and competitive. Studying with friends or classmates can boost motivation. You could form teams and see who answers the most questions or completes review tasks first. Making it a friendly competition can turn studying into a social activity that feels more like playing a game. Another idea is to role-play as historical figures or characters related to your subject. Discussing material in character makes review sessions more engaging and helps you remember details better. Rewards are a big part of gamification. Treat yourself after reaching milestones, like taking a break, enjoying a snack, or watching a short video. These small rewards keep you motivated to keep going. But remember, the goal is to support genuine learning. Don't get caught up only in earning points or rewards. Use game elements to stay consistent and make review sessions more enjoyable. In the end, gamifying your note review turns studying into a fun challenge. It helps you stay motivated, improves your recall, and makes learning feel less like a task and more like a game you want to win.